Now, in this problem, we have to see a teacher, we have to distribute students according to their scores. If the student score below 60, he should get F. If the student score between 60 and 69, he should get D. 70 and 79, he should get C. 80 and 89, he should get B. And 90 to 100, he should get A. So for this also we have to use the concept of if and else. But here there are different conditions are given, which means we will use the concept of if also. So here let's see. Let's write the score. So I will write score, and that score should be integer. And first I will write integer, then I will take input. This is the thing that we will do. Now let's write if else concepts. If score is greater than 90, if a score is greater than 90, then what we have to print? We have to print it is grade is A. So let's write it like this. Now we will use elif. So first elif score greater than 80. Yes, greater than 80. Then we will write print B. Now I will copy this whole statement because writing it again and again it's not making sense. So here we will do the elif concept, but here we will take 70, and this grade will be C. Now next one elif. Let's write 70, and here it is given that 60. 60, and this grade will be D. And at last we will write else. Write else print F. Done. Now I will keep this one on the next line because there is an indentation that we had used. So we'll write it like this. Now let's run this code. So here I'm writing this one as 40. So we are getting the grade as F. So this is the value that we will write, which is coming under this condition.